Hey beauty junkies, welcome to my channel. Today I am showing you how I would do a typical client who sits in my chair. I have my beautiful mother here as my model and my muse. We're doing a mauve-y look on her. This would be great for anybody who's got an event to go to, even a bridesmaid or even a bride. Okay, let's get started. You just saw me prep her eyelids with some Maybelline Fit Me concealer and my favorite Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder in shade Light or Translucent. So at this step, you're seeing me build up her transition shade in her crease, and I am using the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, shades Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange. Continuing with that palette, I am using shade Venetian Red to deepen her crease, followed by the shade Tempera in that same palette to blend out around her brow bone. Now I'm grabbing a smaller brush and I am continuing with that Venetian Red color and just concentrating that where I want it. You'll see I'm moving on to the lid. I'm using a Huda Beauty Nude Light palette. I started going in with a pink shimmer shade, but I decided it was too pink. So now we're going on to top it off with a mauve shade, which is also quite shimmery. Moving on, we are deepening up her outer corner. I have switched to the Sultry palette, also by Anastasia. I'm using the shade Dystopian. Now that her eyes are lightly lined with a gel liner, I am using the shades Noir and Dystopian from the Sultry palette to blend out that eyeliner and softly wing it out. Now you'll see I'm just cleaning up any fallout and moving on to moisturizer. This one is my favorite go-to. If you've had your makeup done by me, you will know I always rave about it. It is Olay Moisturizing Lotion for Sensitive Skin. And now I'm moving on to her foundation, which is my new favorite, Face Atelier. They make a really great foundation for pros or even every day if you want. It is their Ultra Foundation. I am using shade 3 with a dash of 8.5 to deepen it. Now I am moving on to her concealer. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me in shade 15 Fair, mixed with Sephora Bright Future Color Corrector in shade Peach Light. I always begin my setting process with under the eyes, and then I move on to any areas that my client might need. If they're oily in their T-zone, I will do that. If they don't like a dewy finish, then I will set the rest of their face as well. Moving on to bronzer, I've got Benefit Hoola bronzer, and then you will see me use the Benefit blushes in Gold Rush and Rockateur. After I've applied all of those powders, I like to go in with Mist and Fix by Makeup Forever and just press in all those powders into the skin. And then after that step, I will take my highlighter. I am using the Anastasia Glow Kit the Sun Dripped one in shades Summer and Moonstone. Finishing off the eyes, I'm back to that little Huda Nude Light palette using the shade, well, they don't have names. So the brown shade I am using along the closest part of the lash line, and then I'm smudging that out softly with that mauve matte shade. After a little mascara, I'm moving on to the brows, and I am using the Anastasia Brow Powder Duo. This one's in the shade Taupe. Finishing up with the lips, I'm using a MAC lipstick in the shade Hug Me, and then I top it off with a NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Tiramisu. That's the final look, you guys. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below, let me know what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Cheers!